Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve Chapter 4 Ratio and Proportion. Practice set 4.3. Before starting this, I want to request all my viewers to please subscribe my channel, share, like and comment. First question is, if A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3, then find the value of the following ratios. Okay, this is our first question. And what is given? First one, 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. Okay, this is our first question. If A, so here first sum is given 5A plus 3B, 5A minus 3B. Okay, so we are going to start with solution. A upon B is given 7 upon 3. Okay, it is given. Okay, now therefore A upon B is multiply by 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3, because here 5A and 3B is given, equal to 7 upon 3 multiply by 5 upon 3. So both side multiply by 5 upon 3. Okay, therefore 5, when we multiply this both, we'll get 5A upon 3B equal to 7 5s are 35, 3 3s are 9. Okay, now therefore 5A, we'll write the sum, 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B is equal to 35 plus 9 and 35 minus 9. 35 plus 9 and 35 minus 9 by componendo and dividendo. See, in textbook page number 66, it is given, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D and C minus D. This is what? This is componendo and dividendo. Okay, I hope you understood the equation. So we have followed the formula of componendo and dividendo, which is given on page number 66. The next step is, therefore 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B is equal to 44 upon 26. Okay, this both get multiplied in 2, then we'll get 22 upon 13. Okay, therefore answer is 22 is to 13 of question number 1 of sum number 1 is 22 is to 13. Okay, I hope you understood. Now our second equation, second sum is 2A square plus 3B square and 2A square minus 3B square. Okay, now here what is given? A upon B is given 7 upon 3. So there is no square. So we'll write, therefore A square is equal to 7 square and B square is equal to 3 square. Okay, now next is A square upon B square is equal to 49 upon 9. Here squaring both side, we got 49 upon 9. Now here, therefore A square upon B square get multiply by 2 upon 3. Okay. Why 2 upon 3? Because it is given 2a square plus 3b square, and down 2a square minus 3b square. So we'll take 2 upon 3, and here also 49 upon 9 multiply by 2 upon 3. So both side will take, both side multiply both side with 2 upon 3. Okay. Now our next step is, we'll write the equation 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. Okay. This is our equation. Now we'll write what we got here, that we are going to write. So here this will become 2a square upon 3b square, okay, equal to 49 multiplied by 2 will get 98, 9 3s are 27. I hope you are understanding. Now after this, therefore 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square is equal to 98 plus 27 and 98 minus 27. Now after this step we are going to use componendo and dividendo. Okay. Now therefore 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square is equal to 1. After adding we'll get 125 upon 71. Now here our answer is 125 is to 71. Answer of question sum number 2. Okay. So next sum is a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. It is already given. Now what is our sum? A cube minus b cube upon b cube. Okay. Now here we are having cubes. So first we will write a cube upon b cube. So here 7 cube upon 3 cube. So here we'll get a cube upon b cube equal to, the cube of 7 is 343 upon cube of 3 is 27. Okay, I hope you are getting. Now next, therefore a cube minus b cube upon b cube is given. So we are writing the sum equal to 343 minus 27 upon 27. This is our equation. Now we will use what? By dividendo. Only dividendo we are going to use here. Now here textbook page number 66 it is given. Dividendo means what? If a upon b is equal to c upon d, then a minus b upon b is equal to c minus d upon d. Okay, I hope you understood. Now after using dividendo we'll get a cube minus b cube upon b cube equal to 3. After subtracting this both we'll get 316 upon 27. Okay, so therefore answer is 316 is to 27. This is answer of question number 3rd. Now question number 4 is given. A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3 and our sum is 7A plus 9B upon 7A minus 9B. Okay. Now here first there is no cube, no square, so directly we are going to write A upon B multiply by 7 upon 3 equal to, here 7 upon 9 is given, so 7 upon 3 multiply by 7 upon 9, here also 7 upon 9 will come, by mistake I have written 3, so multiply both side by 7 upon 9 which we having in sum. Now next step will be 7A upon 9B is equal to, see 7A 9B we got here, 7 7s are 49, 3 9s are 27. I hope you are getting. The next step is, what is the equation we are having? 7A plus 9B upon 7A minus 9B is equal to 49 plus 27 upon 49 minus 27. Now here we are going to use componendo and dividendo. Okay, we use componendo and dividendo. After this, the next step will be 7A plus 9B upon 7A minus 9B is equal to 76 upon 22. Okay, when we divide this both with 2, we will get 38 upon 11. So our answer is 38 is to 11. This is our answer of question number 4. Now next question is given, if 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square equal to 47 upon 7, then find the value of the following ratio. What is given first? A upon b. What is given? A upon b. We have to find the ratio. So here we'll write with solution 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square equal to 47 upon 7. This is given in question. Now here next step is, we'll take bracket 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square plus 4b square, here plus 15a square then minus 4b square upon again bracket 15a square minus 4b square, here minus will come, equal to 47 minus plus 7 upon 47 minus 7 by this equation by componendo and dividendo. Okay, now here therefore we'll remove the bracket 15a square plus 4b square again plus 15a square minus 4b square upon 15a square plus 4b square minus 15a square minus, now here minus minus will become plus 4b square is equal to, when we add 47 with 7 we'll get 54. Here after subtracting we'll get 40. I hope till this step you understood. Now we'll move to next step. Now here you can see 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square. Here plus 4b square and minus 4b square will cancel, and down plus 15a square and minus 15a square get cancelled. Okay, now here we'll get 30, 15 plus 15 is 30 a square upon 4 plus 4 is 8 b square, therefore is equal. Here 54 upon 40 will divide with 2, then we'll get 20 here, here 27. Okay, answer is 27 upon 20 here. Now again the next step is we'll remove this 30 upon 8. A square upon b square is equal to 27 upon 20. This will come this side, means the denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So 8 upon 30. Here 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 2, 3 9s are and 3 10s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Again 2 1s are 2 5s are. Then we'll get a square upon b square is equal to 9 upon 25. Okay, the square of 9 and 25 is, we'll remove the square, so we'll get 3 upon 5. Okay, now therefore answer is 3:5 of question number 2 of question number 1 sum. 3:5 we got answer. Second sum is 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. We have to find the ratio. So first we will write a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay, as we got 3 upon 5 from question number 1 sum, a upon b we got 3 upon 5. So we are going to continue the same. From first sum we got a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. So therefore a upon b get multiplied by, here 7a and 3b is given, so 7 upon 3 equal to 3 upon 5, again multiply by 7 upon 3. We'll multiply both side by 7 upon 3. Okay, now next step is 7a here and 3b will get equal to, here you can see what is given, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 3. So this both get cancelled, we'll get 7 upon 5 here. I hope you are understanding. Now next step is we will going to write the given sum 7a minus 3b. Okay, so what we will do, we'll write here minus is given, here plus is given. Okay, so we'll take here plus first and here minus first. So when 7 plus 5, according to the formula 7 minus 5 by componendo and dividendo. We have taken positive sign in numerator and negative sign in denominator. Now therefore 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equal to what? 12 upon 2. Okay, now this also get multiplied by 2. So here we'll take 1s are 6. Get 6 upon 1. I hope understanding. Now again we will write, therefore what equation is given? 7a minus given, so we'll write 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b is equal to 1 upon 6. okay, by invertendo. On page number 66 of textbook, you can see there is given, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A upon A is also equal to D upon C. This is invertendo. Okay, so remember this. Now here, therefore 7A minus 3B upon 7A plus 3B is equal to 1:6. This is our answer for sum number 2. Next question is question number 3. Solve b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. So we have to find out, as we got a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5 from first sum. Okay, I will proceed there. The second step will come here. As you can see, squares are given, so we'll take square. A square upon b square is equal to 3 square upon 5 square. So here, therefore, a square upon b square is what? 9 upon 25. Okay, squaring both sides will get 9 upon 25. So here, therefore a square upon b square multiplied by 2 equal to 9 upon 25 multiplied by 2. We'll multiply both sides. Multiply by 2. Okay, then we'll get what? Here 2a square upon b square equal to 18 upon 25. Okay, therefore b square upon 2a square is equal to, we'll change 25 upon 18 by invertendo. I hope you understood. Here we have changed numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator by invertendo. So therefore b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is equal to 25 plus 18 and 25 minus 18 by componendo and dividendo. Okay, remember all this componendo, invertendo, it is given in page number 66. You will see the equation. Remember that equation, it will easy to solve the sum. So next step is what? Same as it is, this will come b square plus 2a square. Therefore b square minus 2a square will get 43 upon 7. Now again we'll write by invertendo again the b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. Here 7 upon 43 will come by invertendo. Follow the step. If you follow the step, it is very easy. Now next step is what? Here we got the answer 7:43. Okay, we have solved question number 3. Now question number 4 is given b cube minus 2a cube, b cube plus 2a cube. Now here again we'll write a upon b is what given? We got from first sum, that is 3 upon 5. Okay, we got from first sum. Now here cubes are given, so we'll write a cube upon b cube is equal to 3 cube upon 5 cube. Okay, by cubing both sides. Now here a cube, therefore a cube upon b cube is equal to 27 upon 125. Okay, Now here again we will use invertendo. We'll write b cube upon a cube equal to 125 upon 27 by invertendo. Okay. Now here what is equation given? See, b cube upon a cube will get multiplied by 1 upon 2. Here also 125 upon 125 upon 27 will get multiplied both side with 1 upon 2. So we are going to multiply both side by 1 upon 2. Okay, why? Because here in the place of b 1 is there and here we are having what? 2. So we are taking 1 upon 2. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now next step is b cube upon 2a cube is equal to 125 upon 54. By multiplying numerator and denominator we will get 125 upon 54. And again we write the sum given. What is given? B cube plus 2a. We will write in componendo and dividendo form. So we are writing positive first, in positive in numerator and negative in denominator. Here 125 plus 54 upon 125 minus 54 by componendo and dividendo. Okay. Our next step is therefore b cube plus 2a cube upon b cube minus 2a cube is equal to 125 plus 54 will get 179 upon 71. Okay. Now here again we are going to use invertendo. So we will write b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube equal to 71 upon 179. Okay. So our answer is what? 71 is to 179. This is the answer of sum number 4. We have solved question number 1 and question number 2 of practice set 4.3. You might have understood. Just follow the step. Just follow the step.